Let's learn 5 phrasal verbs with pull. Firstly, pull apart. This means to rip into pieces or separate. For example, I can't pull my hands apart. Next is pull in. This means to attract, stop at the side of the road or take someone to the police station. For example, police, pull in now. Pull oneself together. This means compose yourself. For example, deep breath, pull myself together, let's go. Pull over. This means stop at the side of the road or make someone stop at the side of the road. For example, pull over, an ambulance needs to get past. And finally, pull through. This means recover from an injury or illness. For example, come on ref, he's fine, he'll pull through. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.